Ahoy, mateys, and welcome to me program. There be pirates here. I'm Captain Francis, and this is me desert island I'm marooned on. There goes my ship. They sailed off and left me. I think because I was told one too many silly pirate jokes, like this. What did the ocean say to the pirate? Nothing, it just weighed. Or, how does a pirate know he's alive? He thinks, therefore I arrr. Or, my favorite, why doesn't a pirate shower before he walks the plank? Because he knows he's gonna wash up ashore. Har, 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 har. Well, if you want to be a pirate, there are a number of things you have to have. You've got to have a pirate name. So let's figure out what our pirate name is. Now I've got this sheet. It'll be in your goodie bag that you can pick up from the Fort Mill Library. And it's called, What's Your Pirate Name? So, the first letter of your first name is going to be your first pirate name. The first name of my name, Francis, is F. So I find F here and it says two toes. And the last letter of your last name will be your last pirate name. And the last letter in my last name is N. And it says Redbeard. So my pirate name is Two Toes Redbeard. What's yours? The other thing, you have to learn to talk like a pirate. There's another little sheet here. It says, talk like a pirate. Some phrases like ahoy, which means hello. Arrr, that's great, or I agree. Aye, yes. Matey, that's friends or me friends. And oh, swab to clean. I bet you've all heard that, swab the deck, right? Oh, yes, indeedy. The next thing you need to be a proper pirate is you've got to have a pirate hat. So, we are going to make one. In your goodie bag, there's a piece of newspaper. It's all ready for you. So, all right, to make your pirate hat, you've got a piece of newspaper. It's got a fold at the top. It's cut out in the lower corners a little bit. So here's what you do. You take this corner up here, bring it down right like that. Take the other corner and you do the same thing. Then you fold up this and then you fold it again like that. Okay? And if you want to, you can take a little piece of tape, put it right here near the bottom, flip it over, fold up once, fold up twice. And to make it extra special, staple about 2 inches or so from the end. It helps to hold it in place on your head better. Then you've got this great skull and crossbones cut out. So you're going to put glue on that. There you have it, your pirate hat. The next thing you need to be a pirate is a spyglass. And this is a very nifty one indeed. And I'm going to show you how to make one. And everything you need is in your goodie bag. Now, to make your spyglass, in your goodie bag, you've got a cardboard tube from a roll of paper towels. This is black construction paper. 4 pieces of yellow construction paper, and you've got this great little insert to go on the end of your tube, so when you look through it, you can see the pirate ship sailing by. So here's what you do. Take your glue stick, put some glue down one side of your paper, across the end like this. You don't have to put it all over the whole paper. You can do just the ends and the sides. And then you just roll the tube paper around the tube. Voila, like that. Now, you have to hold it down for a bit. And if you've got the Scotch tape, you might want to put a little bit on the end just to help hold it down. Like so. Okay. Then you've got these yellow strips. So what you can do, I use 3. You can use all 4 if you like, and you can put them anywhere on your tape you want. I put one on the end and I lined it up. With the black paper where it was taped, and you just wrap it around. Try to keep that glue stick from escaping. Voila. And again, you can use a little piece of tape just to make sure it will stay. I'm going to do one on the other end. You see, I'm matching it up where the tape is. Go all the way around. And again, I'm going to put a little bit of tape. Now, I think I'm going to use all 4 this time. So, put some glue on this one, some glue on this one. I'm going to put it around here, like so. A little piece of tape. There you go. And one more. Voila. So there you've got your spyglass. Now, decide which end you want to look through. Doesn't really matter. The other end, put glue all around. And you're going to take your sticker there, you can put it down on the table, and you're just going to, and there's your spyglass. And when you look through it, you can see the pirate ship sailing on the ocean. Blimey, mate. The next thing you need, if you're going to be a pirate, is a pirate sword. So in your goodie bag, you've got a cardboard sword and 2 pieces of aluminum foil. You're going to need your glue stick again. So you can see one goes on one side like this. So just put glue all over the side of the sword. Put some along the edges. put it down on the aluminum foil. Well, it would help better if you use the sticky side, wouldn't it? There you go. Then you just bring the edges up and around. Do that all the way around. All right, and you're going to put more glue on the other side. And do exactly the same thing again. You're going to put the foil over it, press it down. And if you make a mistake like that, you can just pull it up, slide it over a little bit to make sure it's all covered. And don't worry, if you make a tear in your aluminum foil or you have a patch that's not covered, just go to the kitchen and get a little bit more aluminum foil and cover it up. Keep going around like so. And if you need to come back and put a little bit of glue or tape, you can do that. There you have it. A pirate sword. To go with your pirate hat and your spyglass. Okay, you got that? So you're ready to be a pirate? Arrr. Say arrr, arrr. For fun, in your bag, you've got a black balloon. If you can find a grown-up, someone to help you blow it up and tie a knot in it, take your sword and see how long you can balance your cannonball on your sword. Ooh. Ooh. You can also try bouncing it. See how many times you can bounce it without dropping it. If you have a brother or a sister or a friend, maybe they can make a sword too. Then you could bounce it back and forth and see how many times you can do it before you drop it to the floor. Aye, shiver me timbers, that was fun. Now, I got one more thing for you to do. I think you're going to like this. Also in your goodie bag, this is like a never-ending goodie bag, isn't it? Yes, it is. You've got a cup, a shark with a mouth cut out of it, and a bag of goldfish. Yummy. So, once again, with the glue stick, I'm going to put it all around the rim of the cup, like so. Turn your shark over. And line up the cup with the bottom of the shark's mouth like that. Now, see? Ah, he looks like a hungry shark, doesn't he? Open up your goldfish. And you're going to feed the shark. Now you can put him on the table like so and try to throw into his mouth. Or you can stand him up on the table and throw. Whatever you like. I'm going to try it. See if I can get him in there from the side. Oh, oh, that one went in. Oh, he's a hungry shark too. Oh, he's getting hungrier because I keep missing. There we go. Alrighty, mates. One more time. Another time. Another time. Yay! Yum yum made 'em up, the shark says. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my program and had a lot of fun, and I hope to see you next time. Ahoy, mateys!